It's Tuesday, and that means it's time for another edition of Main Sequence's series of short videos with tips, tricks, and tutorials to help make you a more powerful PCRecruiter user. A few new changes are going to appear in the PCRecruiter.net system this month, and in this edition of our video series, we'll give you the highlights. First, a new Quick Upload Resume option appears under the Actions menu on the name record. The existing Add Resume option isn't going anywhere, but the new Quick Upload takes you straight to your system's file browser. The full Add Resume area allows you to copy and paste a resume, change formats, make edits, create a blinded copy, and so on. But if you just need to add or replace the resume and don't need to view or interact with it, this new action offers a slightly quicker route. Next, you'll find an Associate Rollups option when you're looking at the associations area of any position record. This is a feature from older PCRecruiter versions that's now made its way into the current release. Associating rollups is a handy way to bookmark the groups of names or companies that you may have used for sourcing a particular position, or to relate similar positions to each other for easy access. By keeping a list of companies you sourced from or candidates you found but didn't end up actually attaching to the pipeline for the job, you can shortcut your future searches when handling similar opportunities. You may also notice some tweaks to the columns you see when looking at a candidate's list of interviews. We've removed a couple of rarely necessary items such as contact phone and placement, and readjusted the widths and the orders of the remaining columns. This makes room for new items like written by, which is the username of the person who created the most recent or furthest into the future pipeline record connecting that name and job, and this column which shows the appointment date from that same record. If you've activated PCR's pipeline integrations with SparkHire video interviewing, IBM Connect's Approve It assessments, and so on, you'll also see columns for those results. This new arrangement makes it easier to quickly see the current standing of the candidate for each job they're connected to. Finally, we've added a new column option to the rollup lists. By adding the Scheduled Items option to your custom rollup layout, you'll see the date of the next item in your PCRecruiter schedule, not including interviews, that's tied to the given name, company, or job. If you're using rollups for calling lists and other planning tasks, you may find this a helpful way to keep tabs on your next upcoming call or meeting related to that record. And if you're not sure how to add columns to your custom rollup layout, then you'll want to stay tuned for next week's 2-Minute Tuesday. For all the latest, keep an eye on our blog or your PCR login screen, follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter, join the PCRecruiter LinkedIn users group, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any topics or suggestions for future 2-Minute Tuesdays, send an email to 2minutetuesday@mainsequence.net.